Hello student, in last video we had discussed about transpose of a matrix, and now today we will see symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, and any matrix, any square matrix which can be written in the form of sum of symmetric and as well as skew symmetric matrix. So let us start. What is symmetric matrix? What is symmetric matrix? Any matrix said to be symmetric matrix of given matrix if we'll find out the transpose of that given matrix and it is coming equal to the given matrix. It means in simple word, if A dash of any matrix is equal to A, then it will be a symmetric matrix. We are having so many example. Now we'll solve some questions, so there we'll see how it is coming. And now skew symmetric matrix. As like symmetric matrix, in skew symmetric matrix, if we'll find out the transpose of a given matrix and if it is coming equal to negative of given matrix, then that matrix will be known as skew symmetric matrix. And for better understanding, we can see if A dash is equal to minus A. This condition will show whether the matrix is skew symmetric or not. Now the next point, a matrix as a sum of symmetrics and skew symmetric matrix. So for this we are having one condition, that a matrix A must be equal to 1 by 2 A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 A minus A dash. And I must say this is very, very important. And now we'll take one example for solving this condition to see whether the matrix is symmetric or skew symmetric. So now I am taking one example. A matrix is given A, exercise 3.3, question number 7, first part. You can see a matrix A is equal to 1 minus 1 5. Example, A is given 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2 1 and 5 1 3 5 1 3. We have to check whether this square matrix is a symmetric matrix or skew symmetric matrix. So for finding out, we have to find out the transpose of the matrix. What is the transpose of the matrix? When we are interchanging rows with the column. So A dash will be, this was the first row, this will become A1 minus 1 and then 5. In second row minus 1 2 1 and this will be 5 1 3. This will be of 3 cross 3. See, now you see A 1 minus 1 5 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3 5 1 3. Here we have to write here A dash is equal to A. Therefore matrix A is a symmetric matrix. Now take one more example for checking out whether the given matrix is an skew symmetry matrix or not. So example second, the same question 7 second part, 0 1 minus 1. If A equal to 0 1 minus 1 and the second row is minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 1 and the third row is 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0, this will be of 3 cross 3. Again we have to find A dash. Let us see, this will be what? First row will become first column, then second row minus 1 0 1 and the third row 1 minus 1 0. This will be of 3 cross 3. Here you see 0 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 1. If further we will solve, if we take minus out from this transpose matrix, so this will be 0, no need to write any positive or negative number. This was minus 1, so this will become plus 1. This was plus, so it will become minus 1. Then this will become minus 1, it remains 0. This will be plus 1 and this will be plus 1, this will be minus 1 and this will remain 0. And now you can see 0 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 1 and 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0. It means we can write this matrix as A. It means transpose of a matrix is coming equal to minus of A. It means the given matrix must be a skew symmetric matrix. I hope you understand. Thank you.